Every Australian dreams to have their own home. It's only possible when you understand the cost and plan strategically to achieve it. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vishnu. I'm a mortgage broker from FinConnect. Here at FinConnect, we help everyday people to achieve their dream home by organizing their finance. In this short video today, we are going to talk about the cost of buying a home. What are the costs involved in buying a home? A lot of people are not aware. Buying a home is not just about paying what's on the property price. There are a lot of other costs involved in it. So let's talk about it. What are the costs involved in it? So the first and biggest cost involved in buying a home is deposit. Deposit is the biggest cost, and majority of people struggle with coming up with a deposit. In Australia, you can buy a home with as little as 5% deposit. Saying that 5% deposit is not enough to cover all the costs. That's the cost we are going to talk about today. So I will highly recommend to have more deposit, because more the deposit, better will be the facilities available for you. Like your lender mortgage insurance will come cheaper, you will get the better interest rates, and also the bank will be more flexible to give you a loan if you have a higher deposit. So having a higher deposit will help you to shop around and find a good lender which matches your circumstances. The second cost involved in home buying is lender mortgage insurance, which is called LMI. LMI is an insurance policy that some homeowners needs to pay for when they are borrowing over 80% of security value. The purpose of LMI is to protect lender from financial loss if borrower default on their home loan. Many people believe that LMI is designed to protect borrowers, but it is opposite. LMI is designed to protect lender if in case the borrower go into default. What they will do is they will sell the home. If the sale price is not covering the loan, they will claim the difference with the LMI provider. Third cost of buying a home is stamp duty. Stamp duty is tax charged by the state government while purchasing property. The cost of stamp duty depends on the value of the property. Higher the value of the property, higher will be the stamp duty. So let's take an example. If you're buying a property of 1 million in New South Wales, your stamp duty will be approximately 40,000, which is a big cost. However, for the first home buyers, the government has given an exemption up to certain amount to help the first home buyer to get into the market sooner. In New South Wales, for the existing property up to 650,000, there is no stamp duty, and from 650 to 750 there is a concessions applies. Also, for the new home up to 800,000 there is no stamp duty, and from 800,000 to 900,000 there is a concession applies. And also with the back-end land up to 400,000 there is no stamp duty, and from 400,000 up to 450,000 there is concessions. So the fourth cost of buying a home is legal and conveyancing cost. These are the costs associated with engaging conveyancer or a solicitor when buying a home. Conveyancer or a solicitor will help you to settle your loan and help out to read your contract, and also help you to identify if there is any problem or if there is any issue. They will raise the mark. Their charge varies between conveyancer to conveyancer. Some conveyancer charge $1,000, however some charge $2,000. So the total estimated cost you can take from up to $1,500 to $2,000. So the fifth cost of buying a home is mortgage associated and government fees. So when you are settling the loan, there are certain charges from government. It's called a government charge, and there is a settlement charge which is called settlement fee. With the bank, there is a fee called annual fee. Also, if you are taking a package, there is a fee called a package fee. You all need to be aware of all these fees before buying a home. The sixth cost of buying a home is pest and building inspection. These fees are payable when you engage with the professionals to have them inspect your property to see if there are any issues. Estimated cost is around from 600 up to 1000 depending on the professional you use. I find a lot of buyers skipping this step to save the money. Realistically, it's most important thing that you need to be doing, because especially while buying a established building. Seventh cost of buying a home is council and utility rates. Council and utility rates are the fees you shall need to pay the council or the strata management after purchasing the property. You get these bills quarterly. For the house, you will get a council rates, and for the apartments, you will have to pay the strata bill. The strata bill will varies between building to buildings. The strata price will be higher if there is more facilities available in the building. So if the building has a swimming pool, elevator, kids playground, then there is a chance of having more strata. If you are wanting a home, there is a water charge as well. So these are the major costs of buying a home. If you have any other questions regarding to buying a home, if you are a first-time buyer or looking to buy a property, or an investor looking to invest in the property, this is the perfect time for you to contact us and get the roadmap so you make the right decisions. Thank you and have a great day.